Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome, welcome back. And we have a new friend. I want to introduce you, okay, to She Bang Short. She Bang Short. Okay, that's her name. Okay, y'all. She Bang Short. All right. As y'all know from my previous video, the other She Bang was long, and this one is short. It's a beautiful bob. Okay, let me turn it around. You see? She Bang Short. For those of you ladies who are in the nursing field, okay, who's out there working like me, and you don't want your hair to get in the way, but you still want to look fly. You want to look fly, you want to look cute, you want to look feminine. Get you a shebang short. Very low maintenance. You don't even need a scrunchie because, usually if I have my hair long and I'm at work, I need a scrunchie to, pull it back. This one, you need no scrunchie. Okay, it curls naturally. Okay. Of course, the bang, she bang, she bang. I think I'm gonna cut the bang a little bit shorter. Okay, I'm going to modify it because y'all know, I have some nice eyebrows. I want to show y'all my eyebrows. But for those of you who don't care about eyebrows or things like that, okay, get yourself a shebang plus. I mean shebang short. And look, what I like about this one very, very much is look, it has a realistic hair scalp. Okay, you see it? All right. So get yourself one, okay? Get yourself one, y'all. Oh, I want to be transparent with y'all, okay? Look, y'all, I gotta burn. Your sister girl gotta burn. See? I got burnt, y'all. I got burnt. I got burned by curling my, bangs. So the best thing to do if you don't want to fall into my situation, curl the bang before you put it on your head, okay? While it's on the mannequin head, curl the bang, okay? Because you don't want this to happen to you. See? Damn. Damn, y'all. So it's a bad one too. See? Anyways, y'all, but the bang is covering it. I learned my lesson, okay? I learned my lesson, so y'all can learn your lessons too. Get yourself a shebang short. This one is 10 inches. Yes, 10 inches, okay? For my working professional woman, my working fly baddies, okay? But I want to let you guys know, okay? Come back for the next video because I'm actually going to dye shebang, okay? I feel like it's the summertime, you guys. Okay, it's the summertime and I want, shebang short to look lighter, okay? So I'm going to dye my hair. I'm actually going to do it today. I'm going to dye this hairstyle. Okay, come back. Okay, come back. And we'll see how it turns out, okay? I'm kind of nervous. But I want something lighter for the summer, you know what I'm saying? But I'm loving the hair scalp, y'all. Okay. Okay, y'all, come back. Shebang shorts. Get yourself one on Amazon right now, okay? Shebang shorts. And DM me on my Instagram at Dunn's Beautiful People or TikTok at Dunn's Beautiful People and let me know. I want to see a picture of you rocking shebang shorts or shebang the long one. All right. Ciao. Love you guys. Mwah. Take care.